guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get into the Halloween quest without waiting to go into the lobby. So they actually fixed this problem and this issue by placing it in this area here. So not in this like specific VIP area, but if you're on like free play, or if you're in the game and you just want to straight away do the Halloween event, select the server icon here and go to Halloween event. Select join and select yes, and it's going to teleport me instantly to the quest lobby without me having to go back to the initial lobby. Thank God they fixed that, because I have to wait for like ever to do that. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.